call we get often is things are taking too long. The documents are taking too long to get out the door, and I don't know why. It's taking too long to review them, whatever the case may be. And again, this is a very common issue. And so what the assumption often is, well, my writers lack skills. They don't have good writing skills. But what oftentimes isn't considered is, yes, it could be the writers. It could be that your writers have an issue, but it could also be the reviewers. They're inconsistent about reviewing. They write they write comments that aren't decipherable or aren't relevant or aren't actionable. There's all kinds of reasons behind that. And or the templates, the tools, the style guide you have in place just aren't working. They're hard to use. People don't know where to find them. The list goes on. So if you're suffering from communication issues and you don't know why, you're suffering from these bottlenecks, we can help you figure out what the root cause is via our communication diagnostic. Our post-communication diagnostic is a proprietary tool that we developed that will help you uncover what the true issues are, and better than that, help you understand how to solve them. Want more information? Hit me up, Pam@HurleyWrite.com, or give us a call, 877-249-7483. I'm Pam Hurley, the owner and founder of Hurley Write, and we look forward to chatting with you.